Hi, I'm Nicole Anderson.
And I'm Alexis Anton.
And for our claim and evidence inquiry, our complex question is, what characteristics of a material affect a physical or chemical change?
And our first general question is, how does temperature affect the rate of a chemical change? So our materials are cold water and hot water, and then Alka-Seltzer.
Beforehand, we boiled the hot water and we put the cold water in the freezer to get it to different temperatures. For the experiment, we're going to put the Alka-Seltzer in at the same time and time the differences to see which one dissolves quickest. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Okay, our claim for this experiment was, as temperature increases, the rate of a chemical change increases.
And for our experiment, the evidence showed that when you put the Alka-Seltzer in, the hot water, it dissolved in 15 seconds, and in the cold water, it dissolved in 45 seconds. So the evidence supported our claim.
Our next general question is, how does size affect the rate of a chemical change?
So our materials for this one is 3 separate cups. One is full, half, and pieces, and that's going to be like a full Alka-Seltzer, a half, and then pieces of one. And all the water is at room temperature, so we're just going to drop them in at the same time. Okay, our claim for this experiment was, as the particle size decreases, the rate of a reaction increases.
Our evidence supported our claim because the pieces of Alka-Seltzer dissolved first, then the half one dissolved, and then the full one dissolved. Our general question for the last experiment is, how does the amount of material affect the rate of a chemical change?
And our materials are 2 cups, both with room temperature water, and we have 2 tablets of Alka-Seltzer for the first cup and 4 tablets for the second one. And again, we're going to time them. Go. Our claim for our last experiment was, as the amount of a material increases, the chemical reaction decreases.
And our evidence supports our claim because it took 35 seconds for the 2 tablets to dissolve and 1 minute for 4 tablets to dissolve.